Hey guys, what's up? Mano here and welcome back to the channel. This is a Honda CRF300L that we are turning into a Supermoto here at the shop, and at this point we are in the process of installing a T4 Pro Pipe carbon fiber exhaust. As you can see, I have already installed the head pipe, which is a very straightforward installation. But before we put on the muffler, let's do a quick review and proceed from there. Alrighty, as you can see, this is an all stainless steel construction and the muffler itself is a carbon fiber unit. This is specifically made for the Honda CRF300L and it is super easy to install. The welds and the bends are top notch and you can tell that this pipe is made for function rather than aesthetics. This is not my first time installing this pipe and all I can say is it offers great value for money. Pricing depends on which model you're getting and for what application, but expect this pipe to undercut most popular brands. Here's the stock exhaust system, and as you can see, the T4 pipe has a more compact design. Weight difference is a lot also. Here we have the stock unit on our laundry scale. And here is the T4 pipe on the same scale. Massive weight savings, I tell you. Now, installing the exhaust is a very straightforward process. Let's go back to the head pipe. For this part, you need to connect the oxygen sensor. To get better access to it, I recommend you remove the plastic body parts covering it. Now, the cool thing about the T4 exhaust system is that you get to reuse the stock heat shield since this comes with the necessary hardware. Now for the muffler end of the exhaust. Since we will be installing a wider Supermoto wheel at the back, we need to take into account the clearances. To make this pipe fit the bike properly, we need to do a couple of mods with one of the brackets that holds this pipe in place. This piece right here needs to be cut to make the pipe sit flat and flush on it. Here it is. All we have to do is bolt it back to the frame and then you bolt on the exhaust. For the tail end of the pipe, we need a spacer and a longer bolt to make the pipe stick out to the side by a bit. A 1.5-inch spacer is all you need and a longer bolt also. Once everything is in place, tighten all the bolts and wipe the exhaust clean with a clean towel and a bit of parts cleaner fluid. Alrighty, that's all I have for you today. Like this video if you found this helpful and consider subscribing to my channel. As always, see you next time. Bye.
Yeah, you can feel it, right? Wow.